You've always got something in your mouth. You talking to mama? So your bedtime? Is it your bedtime? Look here, little peach. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Mommy have a kiss. Yeah, mommy have a kissy. You stinky butt. You stinky butt. You stinky booka booka. You did what? What did you do? Hey, sticka booka booka booka. Somebody's a grumpy boy, huh? That baby is grumpy. Tell him it's not all giggles. I know they say not to let your baby watch TV, but he loves him some Dora. You like Dora? No. No. Oh, Isaiah. No. Have this in his mouth. Young girls who are trying to get pregnant, snot giggles all the time. He is very upset and he's not tired, so now I have to figure out what's wrong with him. Now I have to figure out what is wrong with Isaiah. And since he can't talk, it's going to be real hard to do, so we're going to sneak up on Isaiah. Are you under the table? Hi, Stinky! Somebody get him to me. I don't think you're liking the pears too much, huh? You're not. He likes to take the whole rice cup and put it in his mouth. And I'm trying to stress to him, like, I don't think that's a good idea. He'll, like, take the whole thing and put it in his mouth instead of just eating it. Stinky toes. Hey, is it 4th of July today? Yes. Say happy 4th of July, YouTube. Say happy 4th of July. Say love y'all. Yeah. This is his outfit. Because I actually didn't get him a 4th of July outfit. So this is like the closest thing that I have today to red, white, and blue. Because the blue stripes, they look black, but they're actually blue. Blue, red, and then white. Okay, y'all, so I know this is supposed to be a vlog where I just vlog about Isaiah, but I'm vlogging for me too because we are about to go see fireworks and I'm really excited. I'm going to show you guys the fireworks when we get there, of course, but I'm really excited to show y'all. I haven't seen fireworks since last year, and you know, this is weird because last year this time I was 7 months pregnant. Now Isaiah is 9 months old and time just really flies. So for all you ladies expecting or, you know, have really young babies, like 1 in 3 weeks and all that stuff, appreciate this time because it just flies by. I feel like chatting to y'all, so excuse me, but it just flies by. Before you know it, your baby is a year. Isaiah's 9 freaking months. 3 more months till he's a year, and you know, I was just pregnant. So you know, it goes by really fast. So the moral of this chat was just to tell you guys, appreciate the time you get to have with your child when they're little bitty babies, because they grow up, and you know, although Isaiah's not going off to college or anything yet, he's getting older, and I'm really gonna miss this time, spending this quality time with him. So yeah, that's all I wanted. See y'all soon. Are you playing with Angie?
Are you playing?
They playing with him. Are you playing with Angie? Y'all, we're moving and I've packed all of my room. I don't know if I've ever showed y'all my room, but my room is packed. My room. It's empty. Closet's finished. Everything's done. This stuff is going with me. That and that is going in the storage. All this stuff is packed. I'm so excited to be moving. I don't understand. So excited. What are you doing? Hey, look who it is. It's your friends on YouTube. Say hi, everybody. Give me a kiss. Can I have a kiss? He never wants to give me a kiss.
Let's get chicken and shrimp.
What are you doing?
Okay, this is what you want. Do you want chicken sandwich?
What are you doing?
Mini cheeseburger? What's up?
Hi. Hey. Isaiah's eating a napkin.
Oh, Isaiah. Isaiah.
He probably there for him to
Isaiah. Are you gonna eat it now? You are.
going off.
You got stuff all over your face, baby.
Hi, YouTubers. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing great. This is 4th of July, Independence Day, Freedom Day for everyone in the United States of America. I hope you're having
Why you gotta talk like that?
time doing whatever you want to do today with your family. I just don't know what else I could say.
Oh my God. Anyway. She is so silly.
You should stop where you make
Fireworks.
Don't pull on me.
Yay.
See, now you can't get back up.
Why did you get down?
People all over there. Stop pulling on me before you pull me down. Oh, that's pretty.
You see the fireworks?
What is that pink one?
It's your first 4th of July.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Wow, that's gorgeous. Come on, Isaiah. You wanna walk? Come on. Uh-oh. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Are you a naked baby? Are you naked? You naked, baby. You naked. What are you talking? You guys see his teeth? I was trying to show y'all his teeth like a few days ago when I first started recording. He wouldn't open his mouth. Are you a naked boy? You're naked. You're a chunky naked baby. You're a chunky naked baby. Aren't you? Mwah. 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 What? Ready to brush your teeth? Let's brush those teeth. I can't believe you're 9 months. Oh my gosh.